Hey everyone, welcome to Papé Machinery Toolkit. My name is Robert Thompson. I'm a territory manager with Papé Machinery. I've been in the John Deere industry for 25 years now, and hopefully today we're going to learn something new about John Deere compact tractors. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over implement swapping on the John Deere compact tractors. Now this process is going to be the same whether it's a 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, or 4 series. The implement connection point is the same. It's going to all operate the same way, and it's going to be the same between implements. So if we were going from a bucket to, say, the pallet forks we're going to do here, it's going to be the same process as if we were going to do a front snow blade or a grapple or anything else that goes on the front of this. It's all going to be the same process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by, I'm going to go ahead and raise this bucket up about waist high so I can get to these pins. It's a little bit easier if it's up about waist high, you're not bending over so far. We're going to pull these pins out and we're going to stick them in the storage positions. We want to do that to keep those pins from getting into trouble. They're going to hang loose and be flopping around, and as Murphy Law has it, it will always get caught in the place you do not want it to get caught at. So we're going to stick it in the storage place to keep it out of trouble. And then what we're going to do is we set the bucket down. We're going to set it down and rotate these arms out a little bit so we could walk out of the top hooks. We're going to back up and we're going to come in the approach angle on the next implement. We're going to come in with a little bit of an angle. We're going to grab those top hooks and we're going to rotate it back. The bottom bullet pins should drop right in place. We're going to raise it up again about waist high. I'm going to get off. We're going to put our locking pins back in, and it's just that easy. It's going to take under 2 minutes to do this swap. And that's something that John Deere's been mastering for years, is implement swapping. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to pull this pins here. I'm going to unlock them and I'm going to stick them in these storage positions and lock them away so they're out of trouble. We're going to do it on both sides. Same thing. And now we're ready to drop the bucket off. And as I said, I'm going to drop it down and I'm going to kind of rotate it out. It should drop right out of there. We're going to back up. We're going to leave these angled forward just a little bit, and we're going to aim at the other implement's hooks. We're going to raise it up into place. We're going to rotate it back, and those bullet pins should drop right into place. We're going to get off, drop our pins back in the holes to lock it in. Each side. And that's it, just that easy. We went from one implement to another in under 2 minutes. No tools needed, no smashed fingers, no problems at all. John Deere does it just that easy.